Leingak asida lisang sitna pangthoktuna lakpa Vijay Diwas Pallan Thouram ngasisu Manipur Leingak na Shinduna Palace compound da leiba MSF-DS ki auditorium hall da Pangthokkhre. Thouram aduda state asigi Governor Ajay Kumar Vala amadi Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goyal yauna Manipur Leingak ki police amadi civil ki makok thongma luchingba kaya su saruk yaki. Thouram aduga mari leindana Governor Ajay Kumar Vala na haikibada numid asi icham samba military achievement amanate leibak asigi oiba lanmi singya punba pangal thongna amadi kathokpagi khudam amasune kumjali singamaga chamapan humudra mathoigi Indo-Pakistan warda mai pak kiba thongna faba soldier singna lepak asigi damak thawai katkiba dubu ningsingduna chahi kudingi pangthoklibani numida sida matamadugi marai pak ngazati singi damak thawai na pontha pikraba athoba singbu ningsingba madi makoigi mafamda hairang leirang kachaduna ikai khumna butli amadi lepak asigi unity amadi sovereignty gi damak leiriba lanmi singna laukiba thodang kayabu ngasigi mirolna khanghanna ba hotnabani haiki Manipur ki leipak asigi damak thongna faba thawai katkiba Bir Chakra awardee leikidraba BSF ki constable Deepak Chingakham Indian Air Force ki gallantry awardee Squadron leader Rizwan Malik amadi Sauriya Chakra awardee CRPF ki inspector Jeffrey Mingchulona leipak asigi damak defense ta taukiba thabak sing ningsingkhe loinana India ki defense ta nauna chahi asida Manipur ki naha officer mapana Indian Army Air Force amadi Assam Rifles ta commission taukiba sina leipak asida Manipur ki macha singna kathokpa leptre masida natana matam adugi mathauna leiraba lanmi singna kathokpa maga loinana loramba thodang singbu singtha khibaga loinana street asigi leiraba security force singna lamdam asibu amadi miyambu ngamnana bu hotnabada loriba thodang singbu Thagat pamasung pukning thogat pasufong doke.
Operation Sindoor was a significant demonstration of India's military and strategic power, executed effectively to neutralize terrorist threats, deter Pakistani aggression, and firmly enforce India's zero-tolerance policy towards terrorism. Recent achievements of our defense forces, including modernization, increased indigenous defense production, improved border infrastructure, and swift operational responses, have significantly strengthened national security and reflect the government's firm commitment to defense preparedness and self-reliance. Let's also acknowledge the vital role of the Army, Assam Rifles, Central Armed Police Forces, Manipur Police and State Security Forces who have been working in close coordination to maintain peace. We proudly acknowledge the gallantry of our brave sons of Manipur, Squadron Leader Rizwan Malik of Indian Air Force, a Veer Chakra awardee for exceptional bravery during Operation Sindoor, Constable Deepak Chingakham of the BSF posthumously awarded the Veer Chakra, and Inspector Jeffrey Hamar of the CRPF, Shaurya Chakra awardee, whose courage and sacrifice bring great honor to our state and the nation. As we honor our heroes today, let's reaffirm our collective resolve to support our defense and security forces, uphold national unity, and work together for peace, development, and progress.